Fucker.
For you.
I'm in a headlock.
Two. That's a headlock. Tell me you quits.
1, 2. My God.
Better make sure. And another pin.
1, 2. Oh, kicks out again.
Get up. Hector, get up. You can beat that guy.
No, he can't. Stop and cheer him on.
Yes, he can. No, he can't. I don't know. He can though.
Wait, you said Hector?
Hector.
Of course Hector can beat Pointman.
No, he can't.
Oh, so you saying Pointman can't beat Hector?
Yeah, I thought you were talking about Pointman. Fuck that.
Oh!
Ow!
That was an insult.
Yeah, got that hurt. Free play.
Damn.
That just hurt me.
That's what he's here for.
You'll be okay.
I wanted to leave this nigga here.
He won't, but I know you will.
Let's give him a hug after this match.
I don't know. I'm not hugging no gay guy. I don't hug wrestlers. I hug little girls.
Power slam.
He's a sick bastard.
Yes, I am. That's why they call me Julio. Better than R. Kelly.
Are you doing your job, Mr. Commentator?
Yes, I am.
Might as well be.
I am doing my job.
It's David Hooker after this, so yeah.
Oh, what the hell?
Slowest 10 count ever. 4.
Hurry up, come a little faster, please.
Stop counting. Stop counting.
No, don't stop counting. Count faster.
Yeah.
It's a big
Counted just like slow, too. Counted 2.
What a close.
And
Kicks out at the count of 2. What an amazing match.
I hope
yes, it was.
What
is he gonna do?
Whatever his name is,
Oh,
never
shit.
gets a title shot. It's a bump. The vintage Bret Hart shot.
Oh, shit. The rock style sharpshooter.
Hall of Famer sharpshooter.
The rock style sharpshooter.
That's the rock style one.
My God. It's the rock style.
That's a rock sharpshooter. I did a way better.
Ow. Oh, shit. Anyway, ow. Hey, Gerard just kissed another girl. Woo, yeah. And she was younger. Yeah.
Yep.
That's why they call me Julio.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Better than
not giving up, though.
Remember, I'm better than R. Kelly.
Oh, yeah. He's not giving up.
Come on, give up now.
My God. It's been 10 minutes worth of amazing action so far.
Well, no, not
This
really.
has been the greatest 10 minutes. This has been the greatest 10 minutes ever.
Wait, 9 minutes? Wait,
10 minutes now.
The greatest 10 minutes ever.
I was about to say 9:59.
Where did he go?
Oh my God, what is he gonna do?
Oh, he just knocked the referee out.
You can use weapons if you want to.
No, I guess. Oh my God, this is just brutal.
What's going on here?
And what's this? What?
Oh no. What
Is he flying? Is he flying? Oh! Oh! Must run over there.
Oh my God.
That gotta hurt.
God. My God. Oh, and he's just smiling about it. He's just smiling.
You bastard. Yeah, it's not funny. Wait, yes it is. Oh, wait, I need to get out of the way. Everybody out of the way. Everybody out of the way. Please, thank you.
Print your mask, You print your mask.
Oh my God.
Oh, great. Now I have to go over there. Wait. Hey, damn it. I just came from over there. Oh, you fat bastard. I'm tired. Oh man, this match is just brutal. Just brutal.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Oh, that's a awesome DDT right there.
The referee is still down.
Referee should get up.
My God.
Oh man.
This is not gonna end well. Anybody would have said prayer for you, just for kicks and buckets. Anybody would have said prayers. Anybody? You know, so the crickets came out.
He got good.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
No ref to stop him, and he just.
Wait, what was this?
What the hell? Oh! 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 He blocked the low blow. Oh! He missed it. Oh! Oh no! He couldn't get him. He can't get him. He's trying. Oh! Face buster. Face buster. My God.
I feel much comfortable now.
He picks up
I got a
the
hot chick.
referee.
And you do some things.
Yeah, should I have a pride?
Picks up the
You haven't
referee.
cried?
That's on my
1, 2. Oh, he kicks out. He kicks out.
Yo!
He kicks out. He kicks out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is just
By
brutal.
miracle, he kicks out.
Yeah.
The guy.
I know. This match is just brutal. And oh god damn it.
Oh. Oh! KTFO!
Okay, that's enough now.
Oh!
What the hell?
Oh!
He's trying to do a Harlem Shake.
And he knocks him the hell out. They're both down.
He's trying to do a Harlem Shake.
They're both down. Where's the referee?
Stop that.
Go ahead, go.
1, 2. Oh, he kicks out.
Ah,
He kicks out before the count of 3.
it's just horrible, man.
He kicks out before the count of 3.
This match is just brutal.
This match has been going on for 14 minutes, and these two guys is putting their bodies on the line.
Yeah.
Got that right.
Oh! Oh! Push killer!
His tailbone.
Push killer! Push killer!
He has a
Push
tail?
killer! I know, that's
Anyway.
the point.
He landed on his tailbone, son. Oh, God.
Push killer!
Okay, that's enough now. Anyway,
Laid him out.
He landed on his
Push
tailbone.
killer! Laid him out. That's what it matters. 1, 2. Oh!
That was free.
That was so close. That was so close.
And what the hell was that?
That was
You
so
jumped.
close. That was so
You
close.
jumped and don't.
Dramatic.
You bastard.
Exactly, like that whole jump, he could have won the match.
Fans, wait, what's
That jump wasn't
He's gonna-
necessary.
He said that's it.
No, yeah, but that was just
The
horrible.
The jump
man.
wasn't necessary.
He said that's it.
I'm sorry, I gotta go to management for
Oh, wait,
this.
wait. What is he doing? Oh! Oh! 1, 2, 3!
He used to it, man. You know, not when you count.
He can do that.
One.
He can do that. Shut up.
And the winner.
Because it's two different.
Shut up!
Shut up!
And the winner.
Shut up! He wins.
He was cheated.
Get the hell out of here!
And the winner of the match, Pointman. Woo! Yeah, Lucky7. Oh, woo! Yeah, he's very lucky.
Pointman wins, and the ref does the banana split to celebrate.
I'm glad this shit didn't see that.
Yup.
Yeah. It's just.
My God, I don't know how Pointman did it, but he survived. He survived.
That's
My
right.
God. Oh God. Can Pointman make it? I mean, oh God. Ladies and gentlemen, still in the ring with HKO. Oh shit.
No!
Damn.
No!
God damn.
This is bullshit!
Shit. Shit. He is pissed. I don't know what HKO is gonna do, but it's not gonna be pretty. Ladies and gentlemen. Damn. I don't know what else to say. Shit. He wants. Whoa. 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 Sorry. We'll be back.